Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. I definitely need to go lighter on my line. 20-pound mono on a bait rod is probably not the best idea. Looks like I'm going to have to go on over there to see my friends at Catch the Fever and get me some new slime line. You should too.
Nothing matches Slimeline High-Vis Slime Green in those hot summer months when you are trying to be productive at night. I'm going to show you what happens with Slimeline once it gets dark and the UV lights turn on. As you can see here, guys, that line is literally beaming off the spool. It's like we said, almost like a bolt of electricity coming off the spool. Really bright and really bounces off those UV lights, helping you see your line. To find out more information about Slimeline, our High-Vis Slime Green, and any of our other products, be sure to check us out at slimeline.com, at our social media pages at Slimeline Fishing Line, and at your local Slimeline retailer.